it. What's up, guys? It's Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Redcat Vigilante, and I got the Traxxas X-Maxx, the defies. What I'm doing today, I'm doing a tire test. I put the 8S back flips on the Vigilante, and I got the Vigilante tires on the X-Maxx. I would have did X-Maxx tires on there, but it don't fit right, so y'all know why I didn't do that. But I wanted to see how these tires hold up. I already know somewhat what the Vigilante does with these tires on here, but I don't have a clue what this does. I think these are gonna bring down the performance, but I'm gonna find out. I'm gonna do a quick speed test. Yeah, I'm gonna do a speed test, and then I wanted to let y'all check this out. Like, I painted the body black, switch the tires out. I like the look of it, but I'm gonna let y'all, I'm not gonna tell you how I perform with these tires on there, but you can probably already guess. But y'all seen at the same time with the X-Maxx tires perform with them, these tires on there. So let's get into it. They're a little shorter. They a little shorter than the, I ain't gonna be able to do a speed test on the street though. That's the X-Maxx for you. Always flipping over. But I'm gonna do an off-road. I'm not even gonna do it on-road because I'm on a busy intersection, so it ain't do nothing but waste my time. So I'm gonna do just off-road. Be right back. I don't know, them tires seem to be holding out pretty good. Yeah, that was, I got full throttle out of that. I don't know if they perform better than the factories though, but it was moving. So let's check that speed. Here we go. Hopefully you can see that. 43 miles an hour. Yo. Yeah. Yeah, I knew they wasn't. I forgot about that little small detail. That these don't have no air control. It does not have air control. Common sense, but I forgot all about that. At least the factory tires got some air control. No air control. Grass a little wet, but ain't gonna last long. I just thought about this. I had my nav in there. I flipped bad twice. Dang, and it's still in there. Wow. Okay. Excuse me. I know I probably got some speed out of that one, but I don't know if I'm really doing the speed. Let me see if I'm tracking this speed. Let's see if I'm tracking this or did I just end it? Because I mean, it's no point. Most it's going to do is 45 miles an hour, but It'll go gyro, GNSS, whatever, analyzer. And I am tracking it. So let's stop. Read, and we got 46 miles an hour. Now that 46 is only because it's going downhill, so hold it down though. Oh, my thumb slipped. Oh no, right for the pole. I really need that wide body kit on here, and I think I would get a lot more out of it. A lot of problems in the peg. Oh! That gate came out of nowhere. What was that noise? Oh, let's see how they do. She just don't have enough power. I'll pull off the side, really. Ooh. Offside, Willie. Doing it. Servo too weak. Servo's too weak. Power is not strong enough. Mainly the servo not strong enough. I pulled the side wheelie on the 3S and the 4S car. Weight plays a factor in it too, but mainly those problems. Popping out now because I took them RPMs off. I actually only took off the bottom. Perfect. It's got. I would kind of hit it hard, but I don't want to. But, alright, that's as good as I'm gonna get. I was jumping out of this pit right here, but they got so many weeds and stuff. Let's see if this monster can push through it. Yeah, well, it did actually push through it.
Here we go again.
Perfect. Yeah, something wrong. I better take it easy. I don't know why it's making that noise. Look how weak that servo is. Jeez. Only turn under movement, like you can't turn under stress. Oh God, please, I don't want to let lost that. And I lost it. Jesus Christ, that was a hot racing hub I had on there. I had to loosen them up a little bit. Jesus Christ. All right, be right back. I gotta find that. Unfortunately, I couldn't find the hub. That's cool. So let's pull out the Vigilante. Now I got the V8. Want y'all to check out that look. Even put my Phillyswords logo on the front. Got the lights working now. Yeah, I like the look of this. But it's all about the performance. All about the performance. I ain't gonna mess around over there. Oh, yes I am. So we got 46 with the X-Maxx. Now let's try that again, because for some reason, full throttle, on it, on it, on it, on it, on it. No, not down there, please. Thank you. Well, it was smooth too. All right, let me check that speed real quick. Yeah, I like how I perform with these tires on here. Off-road and on-road. These things are no joke. So, I hope y'all can see this stuff. 53 miles an hour off-road. 53 miles an hour. Now I got 55. I got 55 on road with these tires last time. About to jump this little hill right here. My thing, I do not want to flip it and mess this body up. It's so fresh right now. But as always, backflips, it got so much, you can control it a lot better. That control is off the charts. Yeah, like that's very controlled. Well, we already knew the backflip. Knew the backflip would be a good tire for this. I don't think nobody ever tried it before. Not sure. Definitely gonna knock the battery out on that. Almost sound like it broke something. This by I don't know what I was about to say. Battery came out on the other side. I noticed something about this truck because I had no problem with the truck so far, but that's why I like to have them for a while before I judge it. But I noticed the fans, the motor fan, the ESC fan keep cutting on me. Like it's stuff stuck in it, but I don't see it. Just stop working. Then if you mess with it, dry it up, then it start working again. Maybe it's a me thing, I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. Did you experience that? Other than that, you know, the tires need work. Definitely gotta lock tight the screws when you first get this. The fans may be a me thing, but I know right there that's a problem with the screws. The tires are pretty good, but you have no air control. So. Yeah, this thing is a rocket, man. You figure how, as light as it is, and then they got the Outcast tires on there. I can't see over that hill, so I won't even go over there.
Impressive.
Yo, tell me this thing ain't a beast, man. I don't know, Outcast, you might got competition with these tires on here. That smooth ass jump it just did, that is very smooth. I just do not want to flip this. As for taking it easy, nah. Yo, this thing is a monster. Definitely gonna do another Outcast V8 video. Of course I knocked the battery out. That's another thing, I forgot about that. This battery, man. I haven't got my mic yet. Whoa. These sides hold it down a lot better. And another problem with this car is the front bumper and the rear bumper. They pop off with ease. You'll pull them screws out. You'll pull the screws out like with your first or second crash. Like you'll pull them right out. So what I did was I put wood screws in it and just did it that way instead of work that out. Oh shoot. Sound like a dog bone came out and I don't feel like picking this up, so I'm gonna just flip it over. See where the dog bone's out at. What that is. It don't look like the front or rear drive shaft, so it's probably the center, but then the center shouldn't be. Come on, Raw, get it. The center should be good. I don't know what that is. It's like the dog bone is out, but I don't know. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna end this video right here before I do damage. don't know, but damn, I wanted to flip off this gate right here. But as always, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, notification bell, more coming soon, and I'm out.